Hello, everyone there at 215 Masonry and Stucco. Thanks for replying to me. This is the video I was talking about. I just want to show you what I do and how I want to give you some free tips to help you in terms of your visibility online and in terms of people searching for you and what you do. So, first of all, I just want to note, I like your logo here, your tagline, cementing relationships. I like that. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Charles. I am with Warley Digital, which is a small digital marketing agency that I built here in Philadelphia. I help businesses grow organically, meaning using a website and SEO strategies and even advertising like Google ads, Facebook ads. I help you get more business in so that you can grow and fulfill, the goals that you have, that like the reason why you started, your business. So that's what I'm into. I used to be a teacher and I just changed during the pandemic to start helping businesses and helping families in this way. Okay, so first of all, I just want to note that you guys don't have a website, and it's kind of a big deal, honestly, because let me show you. If I'm searching for, let's say, stucco, st- um, let's say I'm looking for a general contractor in Philadelphia. I want to take this search. Now I have a tool that can tell me how many times people search for things, for certain keywords. Now, a keyword is just a phrase that someone puts into Google. So if I'm looking for, let's say I'm looking for a home remodeler in Philadelphia, home remodeler in Philadelphia, you can actually tell. Let me go to my tool. It's called Ahrefs, and I'm gonna explore this keyword, home remodeling Philadelphia. And I can tell that there are 150 people who look for that every single month. Now, to rank higher and higher, to get this traffic would be important to you guys. So, by domain, meaning by website, I can tell how many people are going to which website. And these are your competitors, like DR Modeling. Let's take a look at their website. I know that these guys are locally based, and they have a website, and they are grabbing about, let's see, 8 people going to the website. And for something like home remodeling, that's buyer intent. Someone's going to a website because they need that service. So it's important. That's why it's important to have a website. Let's look at the general. So that's another thing I want to say. They're getting 8 people from just that one keyword. Let's look at another keyword, general contractor in Philadelphia. And you can see, well, let's see how many 80 people search for that per month. And the traffic is shared by these big websites like House, Philly Mag, Angie. However, if you go down the list, then you start to see your local people. Let's do another one. Kitchen remodel Philadelphia, because that's something people would search for. About 50 people search for that per month. And we can see how the traffic is divided up. So what I'm trying to say is that the more keywords you have on your website, the higher you'll rank and the more you'll be seen here, in the map, in Google searches. Another reason I'm saying this is because 90% of people use Google to search for local businesses. 70% of those click on what's on the first page. So, very first page of Google, if someone's searching for home remodeling in Philadelphia, 90% of people search on Google, 70% will not leave this page. That's why it's important to be here. And we've seen the traffic that can come. Now, I'm going to go back to this tool. By the way, this tool, Ahrefs, is a popular tool out there. A lot of people have it. If you have a website person or if you talk to technical SEO people, they know this tool. But I just wanted to show you, aside from kitchen remodel Philadelphia, there's so many other keywords that people look for. Bathroom remodel Philadelphia. about 200 people look for that every month. Kitchen remodeling, about 200 people look for that every month. Bathroom modeling, 150, we saw that already. Remodeling Philadelphia, kitchen designers Philadelphia. So it's my job to kind of put these into your website. Make sure you have enough text on your website which has these keywords so that Google can recognize and then start drawing all this traffic towards you. Now, as an example, I built this website about a month ago, and it's a home remodeling website. It has enough text. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your front page, which is saturated with these keywords. So, for example, basement finishing Philadelphia, the bathtub refinishing Philadelphia. You can see that there. Basement remodeling Philadelphia, etc. I kind of cleverly put it into all the text. That it sounds natural. It is natural, but I've put in these keywords, and the results of this, if you search on Google for home remodeling Philadelphia, it's not only because of the text, and I'm gonna get into a little bit more, but you can see I'm first in the map pack. So this website is ready to go. I can build similar things and do exactly what I'm talking about, putting text in that is relevant to whatever services you have, so that the clients you are targeting can find you. So let me get back to that search again, because the next thing I want to talk about is this section here, which is known as the map pack. Whenever you search for a certain keyword, Google will show you first Google ads, which are always hit or miss because some people have ad blockers. However, if you want to show up on Google to a certain population, definitely Google ads help. This section here is called the map pack. And the way you can rank in here, right below the Google ads, is the map pack. The way you rank in here is through citations. Citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed across the internet. So, for example, in directories like Yelp, LinkedIn, Yext, Dexnos, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, white pages, Better Business Bureau, etc. The more citations that you have, the higher you'll rank over here. So you can see some ads, and then I'm the first. And look at this, I have 3 reviews. The next person down the line, I know this person, they're on Frankfurt Ave. They have 185 reviews, but I'm ranking higher. This is most probably, and you see Metro Renovations has 21, Artie's Kitchen and Bath has 49. So it's not only the number of reviews that you have, but the number of citations and authoritative citations. So get out there, make sure your business is listed in as many relevant directories online so that you start to rank higher and higher here. Third thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and that has to do with this section down here. So backlinks, if you think of the internet as a connection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is when one web page directs traffic to you. So they have your link on their site that's sending people to you. There are different ways to analyze even your competition and the backlinks. And let me take this guy. I'm going to go back to my tool, Ahrefs, and I put him inside. And this tool tells me how many backlinks they have from how many different websites, 22 domains to 22 websites. So if I go to the backlinks, I can tell a lot of them are local pages, MoveZoo. These are directories. A lot of these are directories. You can see it's listed so many different times on the same one. So the way you can rank higher and higher in these searches is to improve your backlinks. So I would go to your competitor, these guys here, Kaufman Remodeling, and then I will look at their backlinks. I'll make sure that you have the same backlinks, but not only that, double or triple, get ahead of them in the backlink game, so that you can dominate them, and so that you can rise higher and higher and get more visibility and come to the front page. These guys are getting a lot of clicks right now. Let's look at them again. Because they're first, you can see that let's see, about 118 people go to their site, traffic. And we can even tell which keywords they're using and how much traffic they're getting. For example, home renovations Philadelphia, 50 people look for that per month. They are getting 16 per month because they're in the first position. Home remodeling Philadelphia, that's what I searched for. They're in the fourth position, and they get 14 people going to them. So that's why it's important to look at your competition, look at the backlinks, make sure you have the same amount or more. Make sure your citations, you have a lot of citations so you can appear here, so that you will just stay on this front page. And we've seen what kind of traffic, or rather what kind of volume of people search for you. So if you're on the front page, you will definitely get more and more business. So those are the three things I wanted to mention: backlinks, citations, and content. As you can see, I have enough content. Let's get back to my website here. Now, this actually does not belong to anyone. It just belongs to me. I want to rent it out to a few contractors. However, I build these kind of websites. I make them rank in Google, and I go higher. So thank you very much. Take these tips. I hope you can build a website for yourself and include these tips. This video is here. Come back to it anytime. Yeah, and make sure you have your content, backlinks, and citations, etc. Give it to your person who's building your website. If you would like to work with me, I would love that. This is my phone number, and my email, is here. I'm available by text, email, or phone call, etc. All right, thank you very much, and have a wonderful holiday.